In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to show you how to use forms to add contacts directly to email campaigns. This is a super simple yet powerful tool that can save you tons of time in your marketing efforts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, how to integrate your forms, and how to make sure contacts are added seamlessly to your campaigns. If you're tired of manually adding contacts one by one or using complicated processes, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end, because I'll be sharing a secret that can make the whole process even easier. And no, it's not the usual software you've probably already tried. And by the way, I'm also giving you exclusive access to a free trial of the software we're using today. Links in the description. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to create the form that collects contact details. Whether you're using a simple contact form or a more detailed survey form, it all starts with gathering the data. The key is to keep it simple: name, email, and any other details you need. You don't want to overwhelm the user with too many fields, as this can reduce conversions. Once your form is ready, it's time to set up the integration. Next, you'll want to connect the form to your email software. Most email campaign software out there allows for easy integration with forms, and that's the case here as well. After selecting the email software we're using today, you'll need to access the settings and find the section where you can integrate forms. This is usually in the Integrations or Automation tab of your software. Now, let's talk about the connection. Most forms will give you an option to set up an action after submission, like adding the contact to your list or triggering an email. You'll want to select the action that automatically adds the contact to your email campaign list. This is a key step, as it allows you to skip manual imports and have your contacts directly added to your campaign list without any extra effort. Once that's set up, make sure to test the form to confirm it works as expected. Fill it out with your own details or have a team member do it. Then check your email software to see if the contact shows up. If it does, you're good to go. Now, let's talk about automation. If you want to go a step further, most email software will let you automate what happens after a contact is added. You can create welcome emails, follow-up sequences, or even tag your new contacts based on the form fields they filled out. This is where things really get powerful, because it allows you to nurture leads automatically. Before we wrap up, remember, the key takeaway here is that using forms to add contacts directly to email campaigns is a game changer for your workflow. It's all about automating that process to save time and effort. Create your form, integrate it with your email software, and let automation do the heavy lifting. And don't forget, I'm offering you an exclusive free trial of the software we used today, available only to viewers of my channel. Check the description for the link and follow along to set it up yourself. To recap, create your form, connect it to your email software, automate the process, and watch your contacts get added to your campaigns without any hassle. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. Make sure to grab that free trial link in the description, and if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.